Hello and welcome to the Sleep Only app status menu demo. When you're playing a sound, so let's pick one here. Let's say we're playing a waterfall sound. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. At the bottom, in this little white rectangle, it's going to show you the name of the sound you've selected and give you some controls over it. First of all, there's a classic pause button you can hit if for some reason you want to discontinue the sound for a bit, and then you can resume it by hitting the button again, and we'll start playing again. The one to the left of that with the little red dot, the red dot indicates that the adaptive mode is off. But if you click that, it'll turn green, and that puts the device in adaptive mode. And now the sound level will be adjusted automatically by the ambient noise in your room. Now you have a lot of controls over how that's done, and that's done in the settings menu for the adaptive mode, which is the subject of another video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.